Swimmy by Leo Leone. A happy school of little fish lived in a corner of the sea somewhere. They were all red, only one of them was black as a mussel shell. He swam faster than his brothers and sisters. His name was Swimmy. One bad day a tuna fish, swift, fierce, and very hungry, came darting through the waves. In one gulp he swallowed all the little red fish. Only Swimmy escaped. He swam away in the deep, wet world. He was scared, lonely, and very sad. Now wait a minute. What? I thought the tuna fish ate everybody. What should I do? I don't understand.